Alright guys, so today in this video, I've readied a master prompt for you guys that's gonna act as a story generator for your AI fruit videos. Yeah, that's right, you guys. So a lot of you guys were asking while generating AI fruit videos, like, how to generate stories and all that. So today, I basically generated a whole master prompt for you guys that's not gonna only help you to generate, images, visuals, and all that with the help of one prompt, but also is gonna go ahead and assist you to generate the entire stories for your AI fruit videos. Like, whether it's about husband and wife, like, cheating, whether it's about jail stories, whether it's about, like, SpongeBob characters or any other, like, AI fruit videos that you see on TikTok. So, yeah. I'm going to show you the entire step-by-step method in this video, so stick around. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so this is our master prompt, which basically contains each and everything. So yeah, first of all, we're gonna go ahead and start by copying this whole thing, and next we're gonna go inside of Google Gemini. So we're gonna be doing everything inside of Google Gemini. So this whole process, this whole video would be absolutely free. So yeah, that's really amazing. So I'm gonna copy paste my whole master prompt inside of Google Gemini. Click on submit. Alright, so it's gonna welcome to the Ultimate Production Room. I am your master AI showrunner, screenwriter, technical prompt engineer. Yep, that's exactly what we want. So yeah, first of all, we started in phase 1. So in phase 1 is asking what setting and genre we are aiming for. So first of all, you have to choose your genre, like, whether it's about like jailhouse, whether it's about cheating scandals, street hood, alleyway, beef and all that. So it has given us few options, like, you can input custom as well. So first of all is asking whether it's about jailhouse, maximum security prison drama, whether it's about messy cheating scandal, love triangle, street hood, alleyway beef, toxic corporate office, insect pest revenge arc, cartoon pop culture parody. Everything is there. You can choose between that, and if you want some more genres, you can say, I want more settings and genre option. Just gonna go ahead and give that to you. It's totally okay. So let's just say from here I went ahead and choose let's just go for jailhouse. I'm gonna choose jailhouse, copy paste this right over here, and then click on submit. And then it's gonna ask for like, who are the 2-3 main character, example like a tattooed pineapple boss serving a double sentence, and how many, like, how much the preferred duration and format is. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do, like, yes, go ahead and do with that, like, the second option. And the duration, we will go for 60 seconds, or let's just go for 45 seconds, since this is just a sample that I'm showing you. All right, so phase 2 is done. We are in the story generation, character profiles, and plot approval step. So story concept would be cell block, citrus, the shank, and the wire. Looks interesting. Then we have the log line and shocking twist. We have the viral hook. Then we have seamless loop. Then we have detailed character roster, big boss pineapple. Then we have a little banana, a warden watermelon. Yep. So these are our main characters. So yeah, it's saying, are you satisfied with the story concept? I'm gonna be saying yes. And then after that, we are inside of phase 3. So it's saying video title will be cell block, citrus, the shank, and the wire. Short one would be this. So now we have the entire breakdown of all the shots that will be generating inside of AI fruit videos. So now we have in total 6 shots, and then it's gonna ask, like, are you satisfied with the scenes, the dialogue lines? I'm gonna say yes. And if you want any changes, you can do over here, but since I'm okay with this, I'm gonna say yes. And then after that, we have moved to our text to image prompts, which are in JSON format. So again, you guys, I'm telling you, if you want to go ahead and generate, specific, very accurate, consistent results, so always opt for JSON prompting. It's the way to go, you guys. Okay, so now we have 6 image prompts ready with us. From here, we can generate images, and then it's gonna ask, like, are the text to image prompts approved? I'm gonna say yes, approved. Okay, and then it's gonna go ahead and start generating the video prompts. Okay, so now our video prompts are ready with us as well. So now let's just see what is the next step, that is saying, like, which platform are we publishing on, like, first TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna say I am uploading this on TikTok. And then it's going to go ahead and basically give us the clickbait viral title. Then we have the high engagement TikTok captions. Then we have pinned comment engagement bait, viral hashtag sets. And then it has also given us the master prompt for the thumbnail render. So let's just go ahead and try this thumbnail, like how it's going to look like. Then we can start generating images and videos, like, of the prompt that it has given us. So I'm gonna input this image prompt for our thumbnail inside of Google Gemini. Click on create image, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on submit. All right, so this is what it generated. The thumbnail looks really, really interesting. And yeah, this we can go ahead and obviously use it for our videos. So now let's just go ahead and start by generating the images and videos from the prompt that it provided, just to test it out and see how good this master prompt is. So we're going to go ahead and start by image prompts. So first of all, scene one, I'm going to copy this, come to Google Gemini and paste it right over here. And again, you guys, I'm doing the whole step like in free version of Google Gemini. Like you guys can see, I am not upgraded to any of the subscription. It's totally free right now. So we're going to go ahead and start by our first image. I'm going to go ahead and click on create image over here and simply click on submit. All right, so our first image is done. Looks good. Now we can go ahead and start by generating our second image. I'm going to simply copy this second prompt, paste it right over here. And yeah, one tip for you guys for consistency, if you want your image prompts to be more and more consistent, so is another hack for you. So while generating your second image, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and simply copy your previous image that you generated and simply paste it right over here inside the prompt box as reference. So what it's going to do is going to basically go ahead and take reference from that image and try to give you the second image with as much consistency as possible, so that all of your images at the end look absolutely consistent. So yeah, that's really good. So our second image is done. So now let's just go with the third image. I'm going to simply do that, copy my image. I'm going to do the same process, the same step that I just told you, submit, and then we're going to copy our fourth image. And similarly, just like that, I'm going to go ahead and generate all of my images one by one, you guys, okay? All right, so here you go, guys. All of our images are done. So now comes the video part. Now we're going to go ahead and be generating all of these images and be converting those into videos. So for that, again, we're going to choose the free, free method. I'm going to be choosing Google Flow because it's not totally free. Like, it's not completely free. You just get free credits inside of that every single day. So 50 credits you get. Out of that, you can generate 3 videos, which means, you can choose 2 accounts to basically generate the whole video out of that. Okay, so yeah, that's really easy. I'm going to go ahead and come inside of that. Start by tweeting some settings, video ingredients, 9:16, 10 seconds in X1. And we're going to go ahead and start by uploading images. So I have already downloaded all the images with me. You need to go ahead and download this from here with the help of this download button, okay? Okay, so now for generating videos, it's really simple. Again, the video prompts that we generated inside of the master prompt chat, I'm going to go ahead and simply copy paste all of the prompts one by one inside of Google Flow right over here. And then for the image, we're going to drag this image to add ingredients section and simply click on submit. Similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do for scene 2 right over here, copy paste the prompt, second image, add to ingredients, click on submit, and then similarly for the third video as well, just like that, okay? All right, so once all of our videos are done, this is how it looks like. Take a look at this one, for example.
Pineapple, wait! It ain't what it looks like! I was forced into this!
All right, and this one.
You thought I wouldn't notice the wire under your peel, Lil Banana?
Yeah, that looks really, really good. And once all of our videos are done, simply need to go ahead and download this from this download button right over here. Okay, so once all of our videos are done, so now comes the editing part. You can edit in any video editor of your choice. You can use Filmora, you can use CapCut. I prefer using Filmora because that's easy for me. I'm going to simply drag this all to my import section right over here and start by uploading videos to the timeline one by one. Just simply align all of them together and do a little bit of editing. Just remove the parts which you think is not important. And once it's done, here is the final output. I'm going to export it and show it to you guys, okay?
You thought I wouldn't notice the wire under your peel, Lil Banana?
Pineapple, wait! It ain't what it looks like! I was forced into this.
Rule number 1 on this cell block. Snitches get turned into smoothie mix. Hold your juice, Pineapple. Drop the plastic. Stay out of this, Warden! He was wearing a wire for the feds! He wasn't working for the feds, boss. He was working for me.
All right, and after that, obviously you can go ahead and upload it on TikTok. Your caption is here, your description, your hashtag, your thumbnail is ready as well. So yeah, there you have it, guys. So this master prompt can go ahead and basically create you anything that you want, starting from story, images, videos, thumbnail, title, SEO, everything. It will do everything for you. So if you're interested in creating AI videos, so this master prompt is the only way for you. You can just simply copy this and it's going to go ahead and generate everything for you. So again, the link would be in the description for the master prompt. Do check it out. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.